All right, welcome to the money cards. You got a bank of $10,000. You're going to bet that money across the line. Make a bet, and then tell me whether you think the next card is higher or lower. Higher than a 4? Nailed it! All right, place your bet. How much do you want to risk of your $20,000? I mean, it feels like that's the right call. Sure, let's see it. Is the next card lower than a jack? Yes! All right, place your bet. How much do you want to risk of your $40,000? Okay, yeah, let's get rid of this card. Okay, the card has changed. Place your bet. All right, let's flip it. Lower than a 10? Fantastic! Currently, your bank is at $60,000. Okay. Is the next card higher than a 6? On the money! All right, in your bank you have $100,000. Is the next card lower than a 9? Absolutely right. You've made it all the way to the big bet. You have to bet at least half of your winnings. So tell me, how... Okay, is the next card higher than a 3? You did it! Yes! That's all she wrote. Your final total is $300,000. Thank you for playing